You're leaving 25% of your AI tool's potential on the table right now. What if a fundamental flaw, hidden in AI's core wiring since 2015, is finally being fixed? This isn't just for academics. It's about to make ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini significantly more powerful. They will be more efficient for times you and your daily tasks. Here's how to spot this invisible upgrade and leverage it to make money and save time. Every AI model, from ChatGPT to Claude to Gemini, shares a foundational design. A crucial piece of this wiring remained unchanged for over a decade. Researchers widely assumed it was optimal, but new findings proved otherwise. A recent paper introduces attention residuals, rethinking this fundamental element. This innovation significantly boosts AI performance, context understanding, and efficiency. Understanding this shift lets you proactively adapt your AI strategies. You can maximize productivity and profitability with current and future AI tools. Let's first understand the flaw that has limited AI models for so long. AI models are built in layers, like a chain of processing stations. Information passes from one layer to the next through residual connections. Initially, these were brilliant, preventing signal loss in deep networks. But there was a hidden problem. They passed everything's forward with equal weight. Imagine trying to find a crucial detail in a massive, unorganized report. Important early insights would get buried under later, less relevant information. This problem, called poor dilution, severely impacted deep learning models. The deeper the model, the worse the dilution. This meant less accurate responses and more hallucinations from your AI tools. Your prompts weren't fully understood, especially long ones. Takeaway: old AI models struggled with depth, leading to information overload and diluted signals. Now, let's dive into the elegant solution: attention residuals. The core idea is simple. Let the AI decide what's important within its own layers. This is similar to how attention mechanisms work for your input words. Now that intelligence applies internally for the AI's self-reflection. The result? A dramatic boost in performance across the board. New models can understand much longer, more complex context windows. They suffer less from hallucinations because they better retain core facts. This means your AI tools become more reliable, more accurate. You get more value out of every prompt you send to ChatGPT or Claude. Takeaway: attention residuals allow AIs to intelligently filter information internally. This leads to fewer hallucinations, better context, and higher overall accuracy. Now, let's turn this knowledge into actionable steps for you. Strategy 1. Embrace deeper context for complex tasks. Previous LLMs struggled with very long, intricate instructions. They would often forget details from the beginning of your prompt. New models, leveraging attention residuals, excel here. Action: use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini for multi-step projects. Example: drafting a full business plan, including market analysis and financial projections, or analyzing extensive legal documents, cross-referencing clauses. Try this prompt in Claude or Gemini. Draft a 5-part marketing strategy for a new SaaS product, given this target audience profile and budget constraints. Then, in a follow-up, ask it to elaborate on the SEO strategy for the second quarter. Notice how it retains context flawlessly. Takeaway: use the improved context windows for multi-part sequential tasks. This saves you time by avoiding repeated context setting. Strategy 2. Leverage enhanced information retrieval and synthesis. Older AIs could easily miss subtle details in large documents. Their dilution problem meant important data points were overlooked. With improved internal attention, new models find key insights more effectively. Action: utilize Perplexity, ChatGPT, or Gemini for in-depth research. Example: summarizing complex research papers and extracting specific data points, or even compiling competitive analysis from multiple online sources. Use this prompt in Perplexity for reliable sources. Analyze this 10-page market research report and list the top 3 emerging trends and their potential impact. It will cut through the noise, delivering precise, validated information. Takeaway: use new AI models to quickly synthesize large amounts of data. This empowers you to make informed decisions faster. Strategy 3. Unlock creative and nuanced generation. Previous AIs often produced generic outputs, losing coherence in long creative tasks. The internal noise meant artistic vision could quickly dilute. Now, with better internal focus, Outputs are more consistent and imaginative. Action. Use Midjourney for complex scene descriptions, or Claude and ChatGPT for detailed storytelling or scriptwriting. Example: generating an entire story outline for a novel, or crafting a detailed Midjourney prompt for a unique visual. Try this Midjourney prompt with ChatGPT. Create a detailed Midjourney prompt for a cyberpunk city at dusk, seen from a high-rise balcony. Include neon signs reflecting in wet streets, flying vehicles, and a lone figure in the foreground. The AI will generate a much richer, more coherent visual description. Takeaway: harness the new models for truly creative, coherent, and nuanced outputs. This elevates your content creation and brainstorming processes. Strategy 4. Refine your prompt engineering techniques. Before, we often relied on role-playing. Act as a senior marketing consultant. This gave the AI a persona, but the underlying context could still get muddled. Now, focus on providing time-structured context directly within the prompt itself. This means giving clear examples, defining constraints, and outlining desired formats. Action. Craft prompts that explicitly define the information and output structure. Example: instead of just write a blog post, try a more prescriptive approach. Use this prompt in ChatGPT or Claude. Generate 5 variations of an email subject line for a new course launch. Each must be under 50 characters, include an emoji, and convey urgency. The AI will adhere much more closely to your specific requirements. This reduces iteration time and improves the quality of your AI outputs. Takeaway: provide structured context, examples, and constraints in your prompts. This guarantees more accurate and usable results from your AI tools. You've just uncovered the invisible upgrade that is transforming AI models. Attention residuals fundamentally improve how AIs process information internally. This leads to smarter, more reliable, and more powerful tools for you. You can now proactively adapt your strategies to leverage these advancements. Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, or Midjourney, you're set. Start by applying deeper context to your long prompts. Then, synthesize information from vast datasets with precision. Unleash your creativity with more coherent, nuanced generations. Finally, refine your prompts with explicit structure and constraints. This will save you countless hours and unlock new income streams. The future of AI is here, and you are now equipped to master it. Embrace these strategies to transform your productivity and financial success. Don't just observe the AI revolution. Lead it in your own workflow. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep building smarter with AI.